Hi, isn't this a beautiful title slide? Let me show you the trick to create such a nice title slide. Go to Insert and select a table. Adjust the table and ensure the size of the table is equal to the size of your slide. Under Table Design, go to Shading option and select No Fill. Borders, select Inside Borders, and the color of the pen, let's select white. Now let's place a picture. Right click and send this picture to the back. Select certain box and fill these boxes with white color. Let's select few more. This will give a good look to your title slide. Once it's done, go to Insert and place a text. It's done. Your title slide is ready.